Wanted to make this quick video to let you know if you are installing a new blower motor housing or heater box barrier on a 97 through 99 Cadillac Deville or Eldorado or any other similar GM vehicle. This one was a little bit of a pain down here. There's not a whole lot of clearance, so if you can't get it and you're struggling, there's a line right here where you're supposed to cut along. It says to remove, but I cut along it anyways, even though I'm installing it, and that allowed me to get this little piece in first. That was a little bit of a pain. So I got that piece in, and I got it around my heater core pipes down. And then you can get the rest of this cover on, you know, get all the screws and stuff back in. The exhaust shield goes over it down there, and now is a good time to put the blower motor back into. And this job is a little difficult because you're supposed to replace this with the engine being out of the vehicle, and it's near impossible on most of these vehicles to replace it with the engine in here, even if you were to drop the cradle down a little bit. So, you know, you're going to want to make sure this thing's all good before you put your motor back in or anything like that. Also a good idea to replace all the O-rings on your AC system. And there's also a orifice tube that goes in there, and that's a good idea to replace that, but that could be done with the motor in the car anyways, so I'd give that a little bit of information.